Hey guys, I'm in Japan right now staying at a traditional ryokan, hence the yukata that I'm wearing, and I brought something really special with me. Birchbox is featuring female-owned brands in this month's Birchbox. Here's a look at the items this month. I want to share with you guys a few of the items that I've been using almost every day since I received the box. One of them is the High Beam, a female-owned brand, Benefit. I've been using this on my cheeks to highlight, so it actually looks like a little nail polish, but it's for your face. And I put it on my cheekbones where the sun would naturally hit my face, my nose, ears. I'm all about that glow. See? This mascara has also been really good for me as it doesn't smudge underneath my eye. And I use this hair milk actually before my flight because when you're on the airplane, your hair gets so dry, and so it's really good to put some treatment, leave-in conditioner or oil in your hair before a flight. I love supporting female-owned brands, and during my trip, I'm really excited to try all these out without wasting any space in my suitcase.